Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A23. For that we will need the SIM ejection tool, and you will find this SIM ejection tool at the bottom of the box. So remove all the tools and at the bottom of the box you will find the SIM ejection tool. Just flap the wings and remove it. And otherwise, by the way, you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray there's a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert 2 SIM cards if you want. And next to also a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it always here in the middle. So with missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below. Okay. And if you want, you can also add a second SIM card. You will place it then here on the front, so on the first position. So this is how it should look like then. Also missing corner on missing corner. And as you can imagine, the contacts are below. Okay. And what you can do also is to extend the internal storage with a micro SD card. So this is the last position. So this is how it should look like then. And of course you can use the micro SD card also with just one SIM card. And yeah, the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, you just put your construction into the phone, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.